As multimedia technology has advanced, the demand for higher capacity, faster, and more reliable media products has grown rapidly. In businesses around the globe, there's an immediate need for cost-effective, high-speed, large-capacity tape storage that can reliably back up large-scale network servers handling huge volumes of images and other data.
We may need to get data from a flight that happened 15 years ago, or an engine test that happened 25 years ago, and we need that information right away.
The foundation had to store 180 terabytes and be able to access that 180 terabytes quickly based on the number of requests that we were getting from our online users.
If a client calls and says, I have to do a revision to a program, that maybe happened 6 months ago. Their footage is living on one of those tapes. I have to be able to go get that tape, put it in the machine, and load it with that day. If that can't happen, then my business can't survive.
In 2 years, our data center has gone from an empty room to what you see before you today. And in a microcosm, I think it represents the kind of growth that we've had. As our storage needs have just gone into the stratosphere, we have more and more teachers wanting to store video, wanting to store their lessons, and our need to intelligently store that information on a good medium became more and more acute.
Now we'll engineer the disks with the hope of never having to use the tape backup. But we can't offer the service to the customer in a reasonable way or a convincing way without the guaranteed reliability of the tape.
We want the insurance policy that if we lose some data that we can have it immediately back, and that our customers will be able to go on and we will be able to provide the services and products that are the lifeblood of this company.
With archive needs expanding so rapidly, Sony has continued to meet the demand for this enormous growth. This presentation will introduce you to Sony's award-winning AIT format, which together with its AME process and MIC chip has revolutionized tape storage and retrieval. In Chapter 1, you'll be able to review the history of Sony's recording drives and tape storage. Chapter 2 introduces you to AIT technology, advanced intelligent tape, its key features and benefits, an in-depth look at how AIT media was developed, and the features and benefits of the AIT2 tape drives. Here you'll find information about Sony's autoloader as well. In Chapter 3, you'll meet some very satisfied users of AIT2 technology. In Chapter 4, we'll hear from a Sony representative who speaks to the future of AIT. Chapter 5 leads you to specs and FAQs, which are accessible by any computer with a DVD drive. Choose from the main DVD menu to select the topic of your choice, using the remote to make your selections. The program will otherwise resume automatically.